I'm Amber Kylick from Critical Movement Coaching. Today we're going to look at the backward roll. Okay, so we're going to be sitting, we're going to roll backwards using that rocking motion that we've talked about and roll over our shoulder. Now we're not rolling straight over our head. I want you to be able to roll over your shoulder. So you're going to open this up and roll over it, keeping the arm out. Okay, now when we sit, it's a roll backwards. If you're not totally comfortable rolling all the way back yet, it's just a roll and over, okay? And I want you to open that up so that you're going over that shoulder. You're not rolling over top of your head. You can do the other side. Rolling over to seated, okay? If you want to make it a bit more of a movement, you can add to it. Go from seated, roll back, stretch yourself out. Okay? So play with it, have fun. Remember, you're opening it up, rolling over the shoulders, and rolling backwards. Enjoy.